Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
It's just so peaceful. I think today I'm just grateful for this garden. And I'm not the only one. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Y'all, I had to get out of the house. I just had to get out and just take advantage of this wonderful sunshine as I walk through the rose garden. No roses has bloomed yet, but there goes a rose. My granddaughter with me, yes. If you've noticed, I have gotten my hair retightened. It's been, how many days now, Nevaeh? I had it done on Tuesday, and this is Thursday. So, yes, my hair has been retightened, and I'm happy. I had no issues, no problems. Yeah. And I felt so good when she was finished. I'll post some pictures because my consultant, Flo, she also plays a photographer. And so she took pictures for me and so that I can put it into my video. She's such a big help. As a result of my presence on YouTube and having conversations with my subscribers, that I'm not having the same kind of interaction with my consultant that others are having. There are those that are just not pleased with the professionalism that's presented. But what we have to understand is that even as we look into other professions, not everyone has the same level of professionalism. And therefore, we need to take our time to do our research and search out someone that we really connect with. And I know sometimes first impressions can be deceiving, but take your time in making your decision about who's going to be in your hair for all those hours and all those days, and who's going to be in your hair about every 6 weeks taking care of your hair. I'm blessed, and I realize that I am blessed, and that Flo takes care of my hair. She looks all through it to see if there's any buildup, if there's any bunching. She makes sure this grid is on point, and if you look, you can see that it is. Now, in a few weeks, right in here won't be looking like this, because once my hair starts growing, it's growing. So yeah, but everything's going well, and I wish everyone well. And I am a sister who loves my locks. I love my friends, I love my family, I love my subscribers, and I especially love God, especially on a day like today, that He has blessed me with the sunshine and wonderful weather so I can go for a walk. And that when all that is around me might be in some type of upheaval, I'm not experiencing that right now. I'm not. Got my wonderful granddaughter with me. Yes. I love my family. I got all this around me that's all beautiful and wonderful. And I wish the same for you. Thank you guys. Have a good day.